freight train running so fast. Freight train running so fast. Please don't tell them what train I'm on. They might not know what route I've gone. When I'm dead and in my grave, no more good times here will I crave. Place a stone at my head and feet, and tell everyone I've gone to sleep. Yeah, when I die, Lord, bury me deep, way down there on Chestnut Street, so I can hear old number 9 as she goes rolling by. So freight train run so fast. Freight train running so fast. Now please don't tell them what train